Alright, I'm at Tanner Creek. Yeah, buddy. Just walked up here from all the way up there. It's a pretty bad hike, but yeah, look at all that. But yeah, I just hiked. Alright, we're at the spot that I wanted to get to. This big ball, bunch of salmon in here. Now I gotta get all the way over there and then go back up the mountain. Alright, I gotta cross this creek right here to get to that side. Hold up. The creek right now. Might as well just walk up it. Oh God. Alright, I made it. There's a freaking crap ton of salmon. Crap ton of salmon. Hold up. Look at the salmon. Look at the salmon right there. Salmon right there. There's a crap ton of salmon. You guys probably can't see it. I'm gonna walk into the water a little bit. You see that salmon right there, right? Freaking nice sized one too. There's one right there. Now I might even just go in a little bit. Look at those! 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 That's freaking awesome. Alright, I'm sitting up on these waterfalls right here. Here's the waterfall. Standing. Literally on a big rock. I'm all done.